video, guys. We are going to be doing another backtesting session. They always do well. It's very easy for me to make. A lot of value can be given. So yeah, just going to be a backtesting video. This is a fresh backtesting session, so we'll see what win rate I can get. If you guys want to backtest with me, this is Tuesday, or actually, let me go to the next day open. So, hello, why is this? No. Okay, so yeah, it's going to be Tuesday, December 31st, 2024, if you guys want to go ahead and backtest alongside with me. So let's get right into it. Yep. So this day looks, yeah, we'll see. Maybe we come in here. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to go to the next day. Sometimes it just opens up and it's like randomly Asia session, and I'm like, bro. And I'm like, bruh. Okay. Untapped 4-hour gap up here, and then these highs. Let's see. And if we do decide to dump lower, we could potentially take shorts to these lows. So it's now just stay reactionary. Okay, we're dumping. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like we want to go down here. Let's see if we can get an entry. I want to see a pretty deep retrace, honestly. I don't want to. So we just enter the 5-minute. I'm not limiting this, though. I'm not really willing to limit not this price action. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Honestly, we could end up flipping here. Yeah. Okay. That looks this hourly wick, very aggressive. So if we can get a good retrace. Now we need confirmation. Okay, I'm getting off. This day's fried. We just rejected both sides of the market. No good draws, if I'm being real. New day, new opportunities. Let's see the 4-hour. Cool. Took these draws overnight. Yeah, I feel like okay, let's go. Yeah, maybe we come up here. We have stacked highs up here, so this could be good. Okay, I'm going to take a limit. So I'm going to take a long here, targeting the first hourly draw. So the reason behind this long, I'm going to put my stops like at 1.5. Reason for the long is because we know price wants to go higher after we confirmed the trend. The 5-minute displacement here is very clear. The draws are very clear. So two things that I need clear displacement and clear draw. That's what we have right now. And then we had a retrace. And we filled the, all right, no, bro. All right, we filled the 5-minute. Please just load. We filled the 5-minute, so, and it hasn't inversed yet. So I'm taking it right now at the very bottom, expecting this 5-minute gap to hold price to my drop. And my stop loss is very safe. It's underneath both of these 5-minute gaps. So, right, if I lose this trade, it just means that my bias is wrong. So that's the idea here. Okay, so let's see. This is now a data high, 10 a.m. news. So I'm not gonna lie, this delivery is not exactly what I would want to see because we inverse the 5. There is a 15-minute down here as well, which is sketching me out. So I'm gonna go break even at the data highs. Yeah, I'm going break even. I'm gonna trail my take profit to the data highs once we take this internal. I'm going to trail. Going to secure something here. Yeah. Just because a lot of the time we end up rejecting data highs. It's just like, I don't know. I've seen it happen multiple times where price rejects data highs, so I want to secure some profit there. So I'm going to go to the next day. But W trade. I heavily doubt this is a trading day. The only draw there is this. Actually, this looks fine. This, and then, yeah, let's just open it up, see what happens. I really don't feel like taking along unless, I suppose. I don't know. I don't think this is good. This is terrible price. I don't even want to watch this. Next day. 15-minute rejection. I don't know if this is really a valid draw, though. I mean, it could be. It could be. Let's see. If we can start ripping there, it could be pretty good. That should clear 5-minute displacement. Yeah, we're not going up. We're going down. We're going freaking down to the ground. Okay, we're inside this 4 hours, so I would not be looking to short quite yet. I mean, since we're inside the 4 hour, I'm not. I mean, actually, no, this actually looks pretty good. We low-key are running through this 4 hour like it's not even there. And then we have the 4 hour below. This looks pretty standard to me. The only thing is that your stop loss is at a 15-minute gap, but we already rejected the 5-minute. This would have been a better entry, but this is still a decent entry. I think this is still fine. I think this is just a bread and butter type setup. I'm gonna go break even there. Oh my gosh, we're not gonna do that, bro. Bang. Bang! This would have been the ideal entry. I would not limit in this case because we're inside the 4 hour, but the best entry would have been off the first displacement candle. So, wow, that's a pretty nice rejection. I like to pay attention to areas in the market where price is rejecting. A lot of the time that'll tell you what'll end up happening. Probably going to be a no trade day just from looking at price right now. Oh, no. Yeah. Really, really no volatility, bro. I just can't trade those conditions. Like, I can't trade that. Straight up. I'm not trading that, bro. There we go. That's probably the high. Yep. How did I know that? Because it's pretty obvious. Pre-market? Never mind. If we end up, oh, this is also good. If we end up dumping, we could also like get a good entry potentially, but I don't know. I just feel like longing because we have data highs, but yeah, it's probably not gonna happen. Okay. That looks pretty solid. I just it's a bit too zoomed in for me, but okay. Yeah, it looks like we're just gonna dump, bro. There's no way we're going to dead highs now. I should love to see dead highs. Okay. Okay. Just give me an entry. Yeah. Yeah, you can't marry dead highs, bro. At the end of the day, it's just a draw. There we go. Yeah, saved. Okay, this looks pretty nice. Rejecting the hourly gap up here. We could actually get a nice short. Not limiting that. Not a good enough a retrace. Check that hourly. I mean, I don't know why. I don't see a point. I don't see a reason for us to be rejecting, so I'm not going to take that. I'm not going to stay up for a bit. Okay. Actually, in a couple minutes, this is going to be a 4 hour gap, so this will become a good draw. And 2 candles, 1, 2. Boom. Now we have this 4 hour unfilled gap. I'm not going to limit though because we're not in the right conditions to be limiting, but this is a pretty good draw. Yeah, like this is a good trade. I see no reason for this to fail. Go for a 1-to-1. My neck hurts. But basically, I'm targeting a 1-to-1, and then my break even is at the 4 hours, so it's pretty much an automatic break even trade at least, because this is a really confirming entry. Yeah, data highs or not data highs, 4 hour, bro. That rarely happens where we just immediately reject it. Next day, I want to see price go to the data highs. Yes, could actually go to data highs. Oh, we have data lows. Shit. Oh. Okay. This should play out. I see no reason for this not be able to do data lows. Because if I short here, with like a pretty safe 1-to-1. Yeah, I think it should hold that gap, and I think it should reject. And I think it should hold this 1 minute gap for sure, because data lows seem to be the only valid. I'm gonna go break even there. Bro, you need to go to data lows. What the fuck are we doing? What the fuck are we doing? We do not just do that, bro. Like, there's no way we're not going to data lows. This is what I hate about data lows and highs. Like, they trick you, bro. They straight up trick you. This is a forced entry. Can't marry data highs, unfortunately. All right. Now that we ran through this 5 minute and inversed it, now like potentially like this. Let me see. Yeah, I think it should just continue down now at this point. I just don't see a reality where price is going to do. I don't see a reason for price to just chop right now, like doing this. Like right now, we should just go right to data lows. Like I just don't see a point in stalling, so I'm just gonna give it a shot. Fucking bro, if there's no way this edges, I'm not gonna play around. Right, all right, there we go. We should have went data the first time, bro. This wasn't even a good entry, if I'm being honest. Like it wasn't the best entry. But it is a data low, and it was at the point where price should just be going to data lows. Fuck. Do we seriously just take it overnight, bro? We do have another set of data lows, but it's so far away. These are I know it's gonna be bullish. Like this is probably just gonna be bullish, if I'm being honest. I just don't think there's really a chance that it's gonna be bearish. Yeah, this looks bullish, bro. This 15 minute looks bullish. This 5 minute looks bullish. I feel like we could just like this like big gap, bro. This should probably hold. I really doubt we're gonna go like that. One more candle. Yep. Yeah, this should work. This should work. I feel like even though we have data lows, you cannot marry a bias. You have to just stay reactionary. So what am I doing? I'm reacting to us rejecting this 30 minute. The 15 minute looks, bro. Like this looks so beautiful in the 15, 5, every single time frame. It's nice. Like it just looks beautiful for a long here. Let's break even. This should just go to take profit from you guys. I just took it, right? Bang. Bang. This was another re-entry as well. But yeah, we're low-key just not even losing. We are just cooking. We go the next day. Kind of in the middle of nowhere. But we do have some fine draws. Like they're fine. Nothing that is like really like, wow, that looks great. But 4 hour. Lock in 4 hour time frame. This is already a 13 minute. Okay, we can keep going. My neck hurts, bro. Ow! My back. I'm gonna lower my seat so I can like have a better posture here. There we go. Okay, 4 hour. Let's see the daily. No. Okay, we also have these lows. Potentially, they just look a bit protected, but we are still open shorting to these lows. So let's see. Do we get the entry that we want? I'm not gonna limit this yet. I don't know. It's not worth limiting. And this is. I mean, I don't want to take this because we're inside of this hourly. It's not confirmed that we want to go down yet, so that looks like. No, bro. I don't know. Not a good enough flip. All right, whatever. Took the draw and then immediately rejected it. Immediately, which is a good sign we're gonna go. Nope. Took the draw, started chopping. Day's over. That is immediately how you can identify if the day's going to be fucked. Wow. We just moved so much pre-market, bro. For us to be have a good session. This is gonna be hard because of how much we moved to pre-market. I don't see any draws lower, so like we'll fuck. Yeah, look, we just skipped it on accident. It was chopped because we moved before market open, which is terrible. Okay. Can we go down today? Probably, yeah, probably just gonna be bullish. Not limiting this bullshit, bro. Not limiting. Like, I don't see a point yet. This could even go to data lows, but could. Wow. I'm not gonna mess with this. We're in Asia. We literally made it to Asia. And data loads were taken overnight. Fuck you. Fuck you, bro. That's actually fucked. That's so messed. I guess we can be bullish today. Let's see. Please. Why? You know, this is like the definition of a protected low. We're not going to go there. I mean, like it would be highly likely for us to go all the way down there, if I'm being honest. Like, to me, that's protected, but maybe not. Yeah. See, like we're not going to be able to make it down there right now. Okay. We're making a run. We're making a run. Okay, we have some fine draws. I think the higher time frame is due for a retracement. We've been ripping for a while, so I think potentially seeing a retrace down here is highly likely for this day. What the fuck? Fuck me, I guess. 4 hour unfilled 4 hour here. Maybe we get an entry, but the next candle is probably okay. Let's just keep it going, I guess. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, this 5 minute. Okay, nice. Was that news though? Okay, it wasn't news. Okay, wait, hold on. Because this rejection right here out of the 5 minute is very nice. I really like the rejection out of the 5. And we have some pretty solid draws. And the 15 minute looks pretty good. Everything here looks decent, so I think I'm willing to take this. Yeah. Why not? Like, it just looks pretty, like, it looks solid. Yeah, not the greatest delivery of all time. Whatever, forget about it next day. I hope this is not boring. I hope you guys are actually able to follow along with what I'm doing here and actually kind of gain some value from this, because I do think there's a lot of value to be obtained within these videos, because you're able to see exactly like the way I trade, and it's a high win rate, so you're able to kind of mimic it essentially, you know? And if you're backtesting with me, that's even better. Like, that's what I do with my students a lot of the time. Like, they backtest in front of me, and I backtest in front of them. And it's a process, and it works. I'm not trading this bullshit ass price action, bro. Genuinely. Just give me some dopamine already. Too much for man to ask for. Okay, now we could maybe get entry. Please, this draw is so easy. This is the easiest, right? We know where price is going. It's these areas. We just need an entry. So if we can retrace now, maybe down into the 5 minute. Let's see. I'm very confident in my draws here. Now, if I wanted to play to the second, this is what I'm thinking. If I wanted to play all the way here, look at this. Why not? Like, I'm pretty much only losing this if my draw is wrong, and I don't think my draw is wrong, like, whatsoever. The hell? There we go. I think this 5 minute for rally gap should hold price And if it doesn't, and we come down to my stop loss, that means that price just simply doesn't want to go up here, and I don't think that's the truth. So, I mean, you could maybe play a tighter stop, but with this 1-to-1, it's a much higher win rate. Dude, no fucking way. Holy fuck. It's a terrible fucking trade, I literally. That's pretty crazy. I do not know why that happened. I don't think that was a bad trade. I guess, like, I mean, I don't know, bro. These draws are so free. I like tweaking it out. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Wow. Wow. This is probably no trade day. I mean, I don't think this is going to be a trading day, if I'm being honest. I'm not longing. Fuck that. I'm not fucking longing. Yeah, we're inside these gaps. Next day. Pumpkin. I just, again, not loving this at all. This is like a range low. It's not that good, but no signs of rejection here. So we'll see. Maybe we want to make a run for it to this new week opening gap. That would be nice, because that new week opening gap is money, and this is a 4-hour. We could actually target that, honestly. Let's see. Do we get enough displacement off this? Not quite yet. No, I'm not. I mean, not a terrible 5-minute. Okay. Now we can actually for sure know we're going there. Fuck. So let's see if we want to make it to that unlock. We are inside of a daily, so okay. On tap 4 below, we'll see what we want to do. We have 2 decent draws, so okay. If we can reject right now, I need to see really strong, like, I think there's FOMC in the day, honestly. This might be an FOMC day. Yeah, it's FOMC. People trade FOMC as if it's actually good. Awful. Yes. Please let us get an entry to the daily opening gap. It's going to be fire. Not even a terrible trade, bro, but I'm not wanting to execute yet. Okay, I guess it's good. We're in a range I'm not going to be entering yet, bro. Okay, please. A bit more. Yes. Yes. It's a very aggressive retrace though, so. Okay. Let's go. It is a new gap and end of the day. How many trades have we taken this session? We have 1 win, 2 win, 3 win, 4 win, and then 2 losses. So 4 and 2 wins, whatever. Realistically, whatever. Ain't no fucking way. Bro, we're really not going to the new week opening gap. Are we serious? What the fuck was that, bro? What are we doing? And Q, do you even know where you want to go? Like, do you even know that there's a new week opening gap? I don't think anyone told you about that, bro. Yeah, fuck you, bro. Actually, fuck you. That's so fucked. And we're not even gonna get any entry, bro. I'm not fucking taking that bullshit. Get the fuck out of here, bro. What is this price action? I don't even think we've had news. This is like a government shutdown, bro. We haven't had news. Like, where the fuck are the data highs and lows? What is this? Where are we going? God, bro. Like, what are we planning? There's no way. Yeah, I don't even need to play this out. I don't even want to look at this. This is the worst price action I've ever seen. Like, dude, what? Brother. Yo, this is beautiful. Oh my god. I love this price action. I do. I do. Okay. I guess. Like, if you're really insisting, I guess I could take this. I'm not, like, too opposed. I'm, like, fine with that, if I'm being honest. Like, I see no reason for this not to play out. The fuck is wrong with you and Q? That's so fucked. That is so fucked. That is so fucked, bro. That is so fucked up. Alright, next day. Okay, do we have data highs, bro? Finally, potentially, maybe this might be a data candle. I am going to take this candle, bro. I'm sorry. Alright, yeah. Listen very carefully here. Yes, this trade is taken off from open, but realistically, bro, we all know this next candle is bound to data highs. But look at that. It was so obvious. And it might even start to project data highs here. Gotta be careful of that. I'm gonna trail. I need to trail. I'm not. If it now comes down to this fair value gap, it's fucked. I'm gonna trail to data highs. I'm securing. Let me see where 1-to-1 is. Yeah, 1-to-1 secured. And I swear to fucking God. Anyways, that was a pretty good trade. It was off open because, like, bro, these data highs are the most obvious things I've ever seen in my entire life. So I was, whatever, open to taking that. We still have data lows, honestly. Wow. We still have data lows and then immediate dump to data lows. That's funny. And we have another set of data highs. Whatever. Wow, what the fuck was that? Next day. Do I even need to look at this any further? Where are we going? Nowhere. There's nowhere for the price to go. Okay. Oh, it's not worth taking. Whatever. I'm bold. I'm eager. I'm hoping me. Wow. Please be data. Yes. Okay. Let me see. I don't think it's a bad trade at all. Really good 5 minute. Like, I don't see this going down, bro. I do not see a vision where this goes down. And we have the break even at the 15-minute fair value gap. The only thing here is that the data highs are like 170 points away. So I'll probably just go for a 1-to-1, if I'm being honest. No way we're doing that, bro. What are we doing? Why are we edging like that, bro? Seriously. Seriously. Motherfucker. 15-minute rejection. This looks great, bro. Like, this looks like we should just continue to go to data highs. It's like the same idea. Break even. Don't do it. Yes. I'm gonna trail. I'm gonna trail for some profit. I don't give a fuck. I made something out of this at this point. Oh my fuck. Oh my god. Yo. That's what I'm doing. You don't edge like that, bro. No. If it rips right here. That's great. I love that. Alright. I'm done, bro. That was a win, but unfortunately not the best win because it should have been much, much more. Okay. 75% win rate, 13 trades taken, 13 trades taken, 6 wins, 2 losses, 5 break evens, 0.6 R. I mean 0.86 R. Not the greatest. The 75% win rate. It's whatever. It's whatever. Forget about it. I hope you guys found this. I look like a midget. I hope you guys found this somewhat valuable. I think it is very valuable if you're actually taking in notes and whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to apply to work with me one-on-one, see if you're a good fit and someone I think I can actually genuinely help, then you can apply in the link in the description. Free Discord is also in the description, so check it out. It's just a free community. So yeah, appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.